If you want to share internet of your Pixel 9a, then you can quickly do this by opening settings, then navigate for the network and internet, and you have to go for hotspot and tethering. Now click on the switcher to share your Wi-Fi connection and simply click right here to view some details. So here you can, for example, change name of your hotspot by clicking. The same for the hotspot password. And you can also change the security. I can recommend you to stay as default with this one. And you can also find this option to turn off hotspot automatically when there's no devices connected. And here you can choose a frequency for your hotspot. So here at the last one, we got the fastest speeds, but it's compatible with few devices. So also stay with the first one, that's my recommendation, and that's basically everything.